Electric trucks are known for their economy and environmental friendliness. Today, I recommended a Genie branded pure electric refrigerator truck. The cab features are air conditioning, power doors and windows, and daytime running lights. It uses CATL 120 kilowatt battery. 2C fast charging interface supports 8% fast charging in 1 hour. The 20 kilowatt drive motor. Truck's maximum cruising range 320 kilometers. Knob-type automatic transmission, air brake, electronic handbrake. The front axle carries 2.4 tons, 4-ton maintenance-free rear axle, 7.00 tubeless tire. The cargo box is 4 meters long, 2.1 meters wide, and 1.8 meters high, and can transport 5 tons frozen goods. The cargo box adopts a sandwich structure with the surface made of fiberglass and XPS environmentally friendly insulation board. Optional American Thermo King, Carrier refrigerators and Chinese brand refrigerators are also available. The entire truck body is assembled using a standardized process, and all parts are powder-coated and electrophoretically treated. China's electric trucks are world famous. Choosing this electric refrigerated truck will save your money and be more environmentally friendly.